Have you ever thought about how the right SUV could transform your driving experience, especially as you age? Choosing the ideal blend of comfort, safety, and convenience isn't just a matter of indulgence, it's about building confidence on the road. Today, we're here to share a thoughtfully crafted list of 8 SUVs that are perfect for seniors, backed by trusted insights from experts at Consumer Reports and Edmunds. These vehicles are designed to keep you feeling secure, comfortable, and ready to rediscover the joy of driving. Whether you're after state-of-the-art technology, effortless control, or a serene, noise-free ride, stick around. This list might just change how you view SUVs forever. Let's get started with our number 8 pick, the Honda HR-V, a compact SUV that stands out for its unbeatable combination of comfort, practicality, and reassurance. Number 8, Honda HR-V, compact yet spacious. Looking for an SUV that's a breeze to drive, reliable, and easy on the wallet? The Honda HR-V, starting at $22,600, deserves your attention. It's an affordable yet feature-packed vehicle that prioritizes what matters most to senior drivers. Effortless handling. Its compact design is a game-changer for maneuvering tight spots, parking in crowded areas, and gliding through narrow city streets. Smooth, precise steering, paired with excellent panoramic visibility, ensures you always feel in control, whether cruising the highway or navigating urban traffic. Designed for comfort, wide doors make getting in and out of the HR-V hassle-free, and once inside, the seats are carefully designed to reduce fatigue on long drives. Honda has also included soundproofing materials and an acoustic windshield, creating a calm and quiet cabin for every trip. Roomy and adaptable. Don't be fooled by its size. This subcompact SUV offers a surprisingly spacious interior. With 24.4 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats and up to 55.1 cubic feet when the seats are folded, it's perfect for grocery runs, weekend getaways, or carrying heavier items. The low cargo floor and wide trunk opening make loading and unloading effortless. Stable performance. Equipped with a 2.0-liter engine producing 158 horsepower, the HR-V offers a smooth and steady ride. While not built for high-speed thrills, it delivers ample power for hills and highway passing. Additional features like a snow mode and downhill assist provide extra security in challenging conditions. Built on Honda's legacy of reliability, the HR-V is designed to deliver years of worry-free driving. Whether you're heading to the store or embarking on a new adventure, this SUV is ready to keep you comfortable and secure. 7. Toyota CHR, bold design meets reliable safety. Next on our list is the Toyota CHR, a compact SUV that combines a striking design with advanced safety and Toyota's legendary dependability. Starting at $24,280, this vehicle is a smart choice for seniors who value a secure, hassle-free driving experience. Smooth and controlled drive. Powered by a 2.0-liter engine producing 144 horsepower, the CHR focuses on delivering a steady and balanced ride. While not the most powerful in its segment, it excels in comfort with its independent suspension that soaks up road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Safety first. The CHR comes packed with Toyota's comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. This includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. Blind spot monitors also enhance visibility, making lane changes safer. These features have earned it the IIHS Top Safety Pick designation, affirming its commitment to keeping you secure. Comfortable interior. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed with ergonomic controls and high-quality, durable materials that feel great to the touch. The cargo area, while modest at 19.1 cubic feet, expands to 37.0 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded, offering enough room for groceries, suitcases, or weekend gear. Legendary reliability. Toyota's reputation for long-lasting vehicles is a key advantage. The CHR is built to provide years of dependable performance with minimal maintenance costs, ensuring peace of mind for drivers who want to avoid unexpected repair expenses. With its bold design, smooth ride, and unbeatable safety features, the Toyota CHR is an excellent option for seniors who want a reliable, worry-free vehicle. 6. Subaru Crosstrek, ready for any road. For drivers who need a vehicle that can handle a variety of road conditions with confidence, the Subaru Crosstrek is a top contender. Starting at $25,100, this compact SUV offers a compelling mix of safety, versatility, and comfort. Confidence in any weather. The Crosstrek features Subaru's signature all-wheel drive system as standard, delivering unmatched traction and stability on wet, snowy, or unpaved roads. The traction control system further enhances grip on tricky surfaces, ensuring you feel secure behind the wheel no matter the conditions. Comfortable and elevated ride. With a raised ride height and thicker sidewall tires, the Crosstrek absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease, offering a smooth and relaxed driving experience. While the base model seats are comfortable for short trips, upgrading to higher trims is recommended for improved support on longer journeys. Versatile performance. Choose between a 2.0-liter engine for everyday driving or a 2.5-liter engine if you want a bit more acceleration and responsiveness. While the Crosstrek isn't built for speed, its calm and steady ride is ideal for seniors who prioritize comfort and stability over fast-paced performance. Adaptable interior. Compact dimensions make it easy to park and maneuver in tight spaces, while its off-road capabilities allow for adventures on rougher terrain. The cargo area is spacious enough for everyday needs, and folding the rear seats provides additional room for larger items like camping gear or luggage. With its strong focus on safety, practicality, and versatility, the Subaru Crosstrek is a dependable choice for older drivers who value confidence on any road. 5. Mazda CX-5, dynamic and sophisticated. The Mazda CX-5, starting at $28,570, combines elegant styling, sporty handling, and comfort to create an SUV that appeals to seniors seeking a bit of driving excitement. Precision engineering. Known for its sharp handling, the CX-5 excels in navigating curves and turns with confidence. The responsive steering and finely tuned suspension provide a smooth and controlled ride, making it one of the most enjoyable SUVs to drive in its class. Performance options. The base engine offers ample power for daily driving, but the turbocharged variant takes performance up a notch, offering quicker acceleration and more power for highway merging or overtaking. The turbocharged model can even go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds, setting it apart from competitors. Comfort-focused cabin. Inside, the CX-5 features plush, supportive seats and a quiet cabin designed for longer drives. While rear legroom may be slightly limited for taller passengers, the reclining rear seatbacks add a touch of extra comfort. The layout is intuitive, with easy-to-reach controls that allow for a distraction-free driving experience. Quiet and relaxing environment. Wind and road noise are minimal, thanks to Mazda's attention to detail and soundproofing. This creates a serene space where you can enjoy conversations or listen to your favorite music without raising your voice. Blending performance, comfort, and style, the Mazda CX-5 is a perfect match for seniors who want practicality with a touch of driving excitement. The 4 Kia Niro, eco-friendly and practical. The Kia Niro, priced at $26,900, is a compact hybrid SUV designed for drivers who value sustainability and comfort. Environmentally conscious design. Inside the Niro, you'll find eco-friendly materials like eucalyptus leaf fabrics and recycled trims, demonstrating Kia's commitment to sustainability. These touches create a modern, spacious cabin that doesn't compromise on durability. Versatile and roomy. Despite its compact size, the Niro boasts 39.8 inches of rear legroom and a cargo area that expands from 22.8 cubic feet to 63.7 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded. This makes it ideal for carrying groceries, luggage, or even larger items for weekend trips. Smooth hybrid performance. The hybrid powertrain prioritizes efficiency and comfort, delivering a calm and stable ride perfect for relaxed driving. The electric version of the Niro provides a quicker acceleration time of 7.8 seconds for those who want a bit more agility. Combining sustainability with practicality, the Kia Niro is an excellent choice for seniors who value eco-friendly living without sacrificing comfort. 3 Hyundai Tucson, sleek, safe, and comfortable. The Hyundai Tucson, starting at $27,600, is a compact SUV that excels in combining modern aesthetics, advanced safety features, and a smooth driving experience. It's an outstanding choice for seniors seeking comfort and peace of mind. Stylish design. The Tucson's exterior showcases sharp lines and distinctive LED daytime running lights that seamlessly integrate into its bold grille. The result is a sophisticated yet practical design that stands out in a competitive market. Comfortable interior. Inside, the Tucson is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. The seating is supportive, with higher trims offering electric lumbar adjustments and cushioned seats for extended comfort on long drives. Even the base models provide a relaxing and spacious environment for passengers. Quiet ride. Hyundai has prioritized soundproofing, making the cabin a quiet retreat even on noisy highways. The suspension system absorbs bumps and road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride that enhances driver and passenger comfort. Safety comes first. The Tucson is equipped with an impressive suite of standard safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear occupant alert system. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors, and surround view cameras for added convenience and security. With its emphasis on comfort, safety, and modern design, the Hyundai Tucson offers an easy and enjoyable driving experience for seniors. 2. Ford Escape. Versatile and adaptable. The Ford Escape, starting at $2,485, delivers a versatile and spacious driving experience. It's an excellent SUV for seniors who appreciate modern features and functional design. Urban elegance. The Escape's sleek, car-like profile is paired with subtle yet modern detailing, creating a stylish option for drivers who prefer an urban-friendly design. Flexible interior. With nearly 39 inches of rear legroom, passengers can stretch out comfortably on longer trips. The sliding and reclining rear seats add flexibility, allowing you to balance passenger comfort and cargo needs. Hybrid models have slightly less cargo space due to the battery placement, but still remain practical for everyday use. Multiple powertrain options. The Escape offers several engine choices, including a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine for city driving and a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 250 horsepower for those who want more power on the highway. Hybrid models prioritize energy efficiency while maintaining a smooth and calm driving experience. Reliable safety features. Equipped with standard features like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, the Escape ensures a safe ride. Premium trims include advanced features such as a head-up display and a surround view camera system for extra confidence in tricky situations. The Ford Escape's balance of style, versatility, and safety makes it a reliable companion for seniors looking for adaptability and ease of use. 1. Volkswagen Tiguan, spacious and sophisticated. Finally, the Volkswagen Tiguan, priced at $28,800, takes the top spot for its combination of comfort, versatility, and class-leading features. It's an ideal choice for seniors seeking a dependable and stylish SUV. Generous space. The Tiguan stands out with its spacious interior, offering 38 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, which expands to 73.4 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded. It's one of the few compact SUVs that offers an optional third row, providing seating for up to 7 passengers, a bonus for families. Smooth ride quality. The Tiguan's independent suspension is designed to handle uneven roads with ease, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Comfortable cabin. Heated front seats are standard across all trims, adding a cozy touch during colder months. Higher trims include electric seat adjustments for added convenience and customization. Advanced technology. Volkswagen equips the Tiguan with user-friendly technology, including a clear digital cockpit and intuitive infotainment system. Safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist are standard, while higher trims add adaptive cruise control and parking assistance. With its spacious design, exceptional ride quality, and cutting-edge features, the Volkswagen Tiguan is the ultimate all-rounder, perfect for seniors who want a versatile, reliable, and stylish vehicle. These 8 SUVs are tailored to meet the needs of senior drivers, offering a combination of safety, comfort, and reliability. Which one fits your needs the best? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.